Hello and happy Friday, everyone. Today I want to show you how to get to your assignment because I will not be in class today. So this is the way we do it. So first of all, you have to go to class link. So I have that on my bookmark bar. So I go to class link and then I'm going to go into Schoology. So click on the Schoology tab. Once I get into Schoology, I'm going to find my course, for example, second hour, sixth grade. I'll click on that. And then I'm going to go down to the folder called Tools of Geography. And today's assignment is going to be called Ways to Show the Earth's Surface. So click on Ways to Show the Earth's Surface. All right, from here, I see the connect, the learn, and the understand. So let's start with the connect. All right, on the map of the school below, find our classroom. Let's see if you can do that. What are some other ways to show where the classroom is? Perhaps a photograph, a model of the building, a video tour, or even an interactive program could work. Each of these options are different in the kind of information they provide. For example, the map above shows where the room is in relation to other rooms and hallways, but it doesn't tell me much about what the room looks like, or a picture or video might be better for that. It also doesn't help me know much about how big the room is or how many desks can fit inside. A scale model or interactive computer program might work better for that purpose. In this lesson, you will learn that geographers also use some different ways to show and view places of the earth. And then here are your learning objectives, and these are the standards for today. Go back to ways to show Earth's surface. Okay, next is learn, and so we can see the instructions here. We're going to log into the textbook. We're going to open our online textbook to the section called Core Concepts 1.3. We're going to preview the key ideas, the key terms, the pictures, the headings, and predict what we're going to learn about in the lesson. After that, we're going to read Ways to Show Earth's Surface. We're going to answer the close reading questions, and then we're going to complete the vocabulary review. We click on Learn. We go into the textbook. If it doesn't open, we click on this to open in a new tab. Enter a username and password. Yours is your 200 number at jibdiz.org. Your password is shoemate1, no spaces. Click Sign In. Go to Browse, Social Studies book, Core Concepts, Tools of Geography, Student Edition. Open new window. And then from here, we're looking for the section called, go back to Learn and see what the section was called. Actually, let's go back to Ways to Show Earth's Surface. We're looking for the section called Ways to Show Earth's Surface. That's 1.3. Okay, so here we are. Turn the page. There's 1.1. We already did that. 1.2, Geography's 5 themes. Today we're going to 1.3. All right, here we are, Ways to Show Earth's Surface. So we preview the section and then we read it over. It's page 8 and page 9. We read over the section, okay? And then we do our close reading questions. I'm going to preview this, start new attempt, and notice that the organization is still there, globes. This question is going to come from the section called globes. So the first part of this reading is called globes. So my answer is going to come from this section here, okay? Next question deals with photographs. So I go back to the reading, comes from the section on photographs. The question after that also deals with photographs. Geographic information systems. Geographic information systems. So I work my way through all of the questions, okay? And when I'm done, I can check the answers by viewing my submission. After I'm done with that, I'm going to go back to Ways to Show Earth's Surface. Continue and learn, and now I'm going to do my vocabulary review, which is a quizzes, which does not appear to be loading. Maybe if we click on this, it'll load. There it is. Okay, so I'm going to practice my quizzes. When I'm done with that, go back to ways to show Earth's surface. Go into understand. Review what you have learned about map projections by watching the video. Why all world maps are wrong. Then complete the worksheet using Kami and submit. So I watched the video. Why are all world maps wrong? Again, if it doesn't load in Schoology, I can open it over here. Watch.
Citing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically.
All right, let's skip that. And there you go, there's video.
If I want to turn.
Okay, so after you watch the video, which will reinforce the learning, we're going to come back to this section and we're going to do the map projections worksheet. And this is where you'll use Kami to complete this assignment, and then you'll turn it in. All right, so you have some more information here about map projections. You have some information here on the Mercator, which you learned about in the book, as well as the Peters and then the Winkle triple. And then you have some questions about those maps. You do not have to do the consider this at the bottom, or at least you don't have to answer it. You can still consider it, just answer questions 1 through 10, okay? Turn that in here at the end, submit, and then you are done with the assignment for Friday. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next week.